Meanwhile, head coach of the Jamaica Scorpions, Robert Haynes, says the team is motivated to win the regional Super 50 Cup to bring joy to the people of Jamaica who are still recovering from the passage of Hurricane Melissa.
With a large number of Jamaica Scorpion players originating from central and western parishes, there is a sense of obligation within the camp to win the regional Super 50 Cup as a symbol of hope for the people of Jamaica. The October 28 Hurricane Melissa struck in the middle of preparation for the Scorpions. Speaking with CWI Media, Scorpions head coach Robert Haynes said players had to assess quickly before getting back into tournament mood.
We missed about 9 to 10 days of preparation coming into this. As I could tell you, after that the players got together. We have discussions about what we need to do for the people in rural Jamaica. And we did that, and then we get down to business. Because we always have to get down to business, because we figured that as a team, we will have to represent the 3 million people in Jamaica by showing them that we are ready to come and do challenge in Trinidad. So
Haynes also highlighted that players were ready to assist their peers in providing hurricane relief items as family members and friends suffered loss.
I've trumped up and we have bought a lot of stuff. We already hand out to players. We have players in this squad who their parents lost their home. We also have a lot of the young girls in Jamaica, the under 19 girls. At least 2 of them lost their home completely, and others, their family would have got affected.
Senior player Markina Mindley is from St. Elizabeth, one of the parish hardest hit by the hurricane.
Most of them are without shelter right now. Some of them lose everything. In my personal home, I don't have any light at the moment, but our head is up. And I tell players that we're here to lift the title so we can bring a smile and their face back home.
It's a feeling shared by Haynes, who believes winning the tournament could be a massive boost for Jamaica.
We need to bring some pride and joy to the Jamaican people by playing excellent cricket. Even if we don't win, we have to give them something to cheer about. But most of all, we want to take home the cup so they could feel the sense of satisfaction after what happened. Because in November here, it's going to be critical in what we do. But with the festive season coming up in December, a lot of these people would not get to celebrate Christmas. So it would be good for us to win for them and to make sure that they feel as if we have represented them well.
Jamaica Cricket Association President Dr. Donovan Bennett also suffered tremendous loss to his home and business in Western Jamaica.